What's up guys, it's Big Ben Crypto here and it is 1:58 in my local time, which means that Astral Farm has been launched about 3-4 hours ago and it is up and running. Now as we could see, the total value lock right now is $9,497.03. The market cap right now is sitting at $34,084. The total Astral minted is 22. One was burnt. The circulating supply is now 21. And we are looking good so far. The price was launched at $1. Currently the price is at $1,600 right now. And yeah, let's go and look at the Astral Farms. So as we could see, what I was praying for happened. The Astral Farms APRs are extremely high, but I must say these were higher than before, than what we can see here. For example, this Astral to wrap Phantom was at least 3.1 million APR and it dropped by at least 2 million, as we could see. But I invested in this trying to capitalize early, as I told y'all that I would have. But yeah, basically this APR right now is giving us, let me get my calculator. Right, so basically this APR right now on Astral the Wrap Phantom is basically giving us 2,700% daily if it remains at this steady percentage right here, and that is amazing for us. As you can see, our total RB will be paid out in Astral, which is amazing. As I said, the price was launched at $100 and right now it's currently sitting at $1,600. Oh boy. Right, currently it's sitting at $1,600. As you can see, these are very competitive APRs right now. Even better. So in one day you receive 2,800% on your Astral. That is, as you can see, and yeah, you could basically see and basically calculate all of your earnings here one time. As you can see, we have look at this percentage. Look at this percentage here. 128 million%, guys. Let's check it out. What it will be daily. Oh my gosh. 351,000% daily, guys. 351,000% daily. I told y'all guys that this would have been, lucrative in the beginning. Let's go and check out some of the pools. As I said, the pools here are just as lucrative as the farms. As you can see right now, the ROI for Astral is 570% daily. The APR for USDC is currently sitting at 270% daily, which is perfect, guys. Which is perfect. And yeah, you can see they have DAI, there's the FUSDT, there's MIM, there's Wrap Bitcoin, there's Wrap Ethereum, and there's Boo. So there are lots of farms. There are lots of pools to choose from with extremely competitive rates. The dividends are not in as yet. And yeah, guys, you saw it here first. Big Ben Crypto. Go and check it out. The link is in my description. So if you guys feel like this was the right investment for you, for your money, please, link is in the description. And please, this is not financial advice. I'm not pressuring anyone to do this. This is just what I am doing now for my personal development. So yeah, guys, Big Ben Crypto out.